This is the Tecno Spark 8. In just 4 months, Tecno has introduced a successor to the Tecno Spark 7. It is the latest budget device from Tecno at the moment, and it's available at 60,000 naira or $148. So what you get is a big 64 gigs of internal storage and a 6.5 inches display, and powered by the MediaTek Helio P22 chipset. In this video, I will be unboxing this device and also share my thoughts with you guys. So please, before I get started, please kindly click on that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like and share button after watching this video. The Tecno Spark 8 is already available in the market for sale. However, it's not the direct successor to the Tecno Spark 7 because it comes with a spec that is below the Tecno Spark 7. It's a good entry-level device and a good budget phone. So while waiting for the Spark 8P or the Pro, this is a good buy. The only difference here is the redesigned camera bomb that is not available on the Spark 7. So guys, let's unbox this device and see what's inside the orange box. It is the same box like the Spark 7. On the back you have the key specs labeled. So inside you get the device first. Then next you have the TPU case, a 12 plus 1 month warranty card, a micro USB cable, the earpiece and the charging brick. Okay, inside the box you have the SIM injection pin, and that's all you get inside the box of the Tecno Spark 8. This is beautiful. Keeping in mind it's a budget smartphone, but it is well built and has a trendy design. The outstanding feature here is the big camera module that also houses the fingerprint and the dual camera lens, and then the flashlight. It feels good to hold and not so big, especially if you have a small hand. You can easily operate the device with one hand. It has a glossy finish, and at the back you have the "Stop at Nothing" slogan from the brand. So Tecno has also joined the likes of the Umidigi to add a slogan behind its smartphones, or should I call it a new innovation? So let's see how the TPU case fits the device. I wouldn't call it a protective case, but it does complement the device in a way. This is the aquatic blue color and I love it. But if you take out the TPU case, it is still a beautiful device, made of polycarbonate material. On the right side of this device, you have the volume rocker buttons and the power button. You have a smooth curved edges on the device that makes it even more beautiful to behold. On the left, you have the tray for 2 nano SIMs and the micro SD card. And then at the bottom, you have the 3.5 earphone jack, a micro USB port, and the microphone. And on top of the device, you have nothing. And behind is the dual camera lens, the flashlight, and the fingerprint scanner. For the display, it's a 6.5 inches display and features the water drop notch design with a noticeable bezels below and also on top. It houses the 8 megapixel front camera with the dual flashlight. The display is IPS with a HD plus resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. It has a good display properties with good contrast and colors. For YouTube videos, you can watch 1080p at 60 frames. So what do you think of the display and also the sound coming out from this device? Under the hood, it runs Android version 11 Go edition, and powering the device is the MediaTek Helio P22 system on chip, combined with the 2 gigs of RAM and the 64 gigs of internal storage. And that happens to be one of the key selling points of this phone. And then you have a 5000 mAh battery. I tested out the fingerprint unlock of this phone and it's relatively fast. Yes, largely because of the Android 11 Go edition. This phone unlocks faster and also reliable. You can also play games on this device smoothly. I don't mean heavy gaming, but if you should try it, you might be in for a surprise. On the rear, you have a 16 megapixel camera lens and a QVGA lens, exactly what you also get on the Tecno Spark 7. and it is one of the best camera setup you can get on a device considering its price point. The picture quality is okay, especially in good light conditions, and it's generally acceptable. In video recording, this is a 1080p resolution with a good picture quality, but when you zoom in on your image, it's not so good. But I love the autofocus, and you can also shoot at 720p. On the front, guys, you have an 8 megapixel lens, and this is what it feels like shooting a video with the front-facing camera of the Tecno Spark 8. The sky is completely blown out, but the picture quality is really not that decent, but it's acceptable considering the price point of this device. So what do you think of the sound quality and the picture quality coming out from the Tecno Spark 8? Do let me know in the comments below. For me, I'll say the selfie quality is good for all your social media postings, but at this price point, you have the Infinix Hot 10T that comes with a huge 4 gigs of RAM and also a 64 gigs of internal storage. Or maybe you step up your budget and go for its predecessor, or you wait for the incoming Spark 8P. Please let me know what you think in the comment. This phone is a good buy and also a good budget device. So guys, please like and share this video and subscribe before you leave if you're new to the channel. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thank you so much guys for watching. Peace.